Welcome to monkeyhappy.com stage 503. This is another patron's choice. This time it's billiards, pool, Muppet Show theme. So let's go ahead and pick up all these objects. Now we've got a puzzle to solve here, and it's obviously Kermit the Frog. So we have to solve that. And here we've got Miss Piggy. So let's do that. But first we have to pick up all the items on the screen. And what we've got is 12 pearls, a glass, a triangle, a chalk. If you look here, we can see that let's solve the piggy one first. It's shorter, and so we have to go P-I-G-G-Y, so we need to solve these. And here we can see that this is 12, this is 8, this is 3, and this is 4. So this is 12 minus 8. This is 8 divided by 4, I believe. Is it 4? Yep, 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So that starts off with a 2, and this is how you go. Then we've got I, which is 4 minus 3, that's 1. Then you've got G, which is 12 divided by 3, I believe, yes, 12 divided by 3, which is 4, and there's 2 of those because there's 2 G's. And lastly, we've got Y, which is 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Okay, so Miss Piggy, like that. Then we've got, I'll just turn on the sounds. Combine the iced tea and the glass, and we give that to Kermit here. And we've got the small key, which we unlock this and get the pool cue. Then we've got 17 pearls so far. Let's go open this up, and to open that up, we need to go Kermit the Frog, and we need to basically solve this puzzle. And so that's 12 minus 8, which is 4. And I'll tell you the code, which is 489715. Okay, you just follow the letters and you solve all that. You get a key, you get the final pearl there. Combine the 20 pearls and the string. Give the necklace to Miss Piggy there, and then we combine the chalk and the pool cue, combine the triangle and the pool balls, put the pool balls on here, and then hit it with your cue. Sync all the balls, and that's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 503. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.